Good morning, children. So today I am going to take lesson for 9th standard. So 9th standard, there are part 1, there are number of chapters are there. So among them, first chapter is number system. What is that? Number system. So you come across about number system from the beginning, from pre-KG to so far you have studied number system. In that number system you have studied addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, decimal, etc. So many types of number system you have studied, but you should be very perfect about operation of numbers. If you don't have perfection in operation of number system, the sum will be wrong. So that is why from the basic we are going to teach you about number system. Okay, so not only that one, apart from that also, so you know number system. First I am going to teach about different types of number system, that is in the short form types of numbers. What is this? Types of numbers. So let us pass on to one by one. Very simple, you already studied. Just I will brief about types of numbers. First of all, we'll go for number 1, natural numbers. Repeat, children. Natural numbers. So what do you mean by natural number? So natural numbers are the numbers we use those numbers for the purpose of counting. Okay, that is we known as the counting numbers. Are natural numbers. So counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So where do you find this type of numbers? Suppose if you want to count anything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So till n number of numbers you are using, that is known it as natural numbers. So, okay, have you followed natural numbers? Number 1, what is that? Natural numbers. So, next we'll go for first natural numbers. Come on, repeat it. Natural numbers. 1. Okay. Second one, we'll go for even numbers. What is even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers, those numbers equally divides. Suppose take for example 4. So divides for 2 members equally 2. So take for example 10, 5. So take for example 12, 6. Like that. So equally we divide. So there is no decimal. Suppose you take for example 3. Is it equally divides? No, not at all. Such numbers we call it as even numbers. So 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All these numbers we call it as even numbers. So got it, even numbers? Next type we'll go for odd numbers. What is that? Odd numbers. What is that call out? Odd numbers. Odd number. What do you mean by odd number? Odd number cannot be equally divided. So that is example of 3 is divided by 2 persons. So 1 and half, 1 and half. Okay, see it is a decimal form. So that we call it as odd number. Odd numbers are what? Which are the odd numbers in natural numbers? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. So that we call it as odd numbers. Okay. Next we'll go for whole numbers. What is that? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. What do you mean by whole numbers? You know, before going to whole numbers, so digits. What do you mean by digits? I want to tell early only that our digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are, we call it as digits. So digits, these are all the numbers, whole numbers. Whole numbers, complete number. So suppose if you take for example 1.1, this is a decimal, this is not a whole number. Even 0 is also a whole number. 0 is also a whole numbers. Okay, so here whole number, these are all the digits. So these digits we call it as whole numbers. Have you followed, children? Okay, next. So 5. Next we'll go for, what is that? Next we'll go for negative and positive integers. 5th one, positive integers. Positive integers. Integers. What are positive integers? You know number line. You know number line. This is a number line. This is a 0. We call it them as integers also. So the next one is integer. Integers. What are integers? What are integers? Integers are the number. It constitute. It consists. It contains positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. That we call it as number line. On number line we are finding all integers. See here, so the center point is 0. You go for right side, that is +1, +2, +3, +4. Come to reverse. This is negative, -1, -2, -3, -4. See, this is, we call it as what? Number line. What do you call this one? Number line. Number line. Number line. See here, 0, positive numbers and negative number, we call it them as integers. What do you mean by integer? Integers are the numbers which contains or which constitute or it contains positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0. So now we'll go for 6th one is what? Negative integers. Negative integers. Integers. So positive integers and negative integers. So what all we have learned so far? Natural numbers. Come on, along with me you repeat. Natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers, positive integers, negative integers. Next shall we pass on to next prime numbers. Prime numbers. So before going to prime numbers, I wanted to introduce values number. This is 7th prime numbers. I will explain you prime numbers also. prime numbers. Before going to that one, out of integers, suppose you take for example, because in future you are getting in the sum, this one, see this is a 0. If you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So compared to 1 is lesser than 2. Correct? So 3 is greater than 2. Greater than 2. 5 is lesser than 6. Following, go for negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now this operation is very important. Now tell me which is the greater. So now you put the sign. Minus 2 is dash minus 3. Which size symbol shall I use? Which symbol? To minus 2 is greater or minus 3 is greater? Think and tell me. So you don't compare this one. You compare. See, minus 1 is greater. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. This technique you must know very well. Now, take for example, minus 7 is lesser than minus 6. Understand? When the numbers increases in the minus level, the previous numbers are greater. But in the numbers are increases positively, the numbers succeeding number is greater than preceding number. That you must know very well, children. See here. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3 because it is decreases. But here the increases. This you must know very well. This is the number operation. This is very important. Minus value also. See here, minus 1 is greater than the minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Here the values are decreases. The values are increases. Before the 0, the values are decreases. So upper side the values are increases. So this is also another technique. Go for prime numbers. What do you mean by prime numbers? Prime numbers are the number which is divisible only 1, divisible by 1, not any other number. Example 3. 3 is a prime number. Why do you call it as prime number? So the 3 is divisible by only 1. That's all. Are you getting this 3 any other table, children? No, not at all you are getting. Understand? Take for example 5. Are you getting this number in any other table? No, you are not at all getting, except one table. 1 1s are, 1 2s are, 1 3s are, 1 4s are, 1 5s are. You are getting. Take for example, what is that? 13. So are you getting this number in any other table? No, not at all getting, except 13 table. 13 1s are 13. 1 divisible by only 1. Such numbers we call it as prime numbers. Prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 3, 5, 13, 19 and 29. So like these numbers we call it them as prime numbers. Prime numbers. Okay, follow it. Next, 8 co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. What is this, children? Co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime numbers? Take for example, you want to find out HCF, highest common factor, LCM, least common factor, LCM, least common multiple, least common multiple. Here highest common factor, but we don't want now LCM. I'll go for this one. See, to take for example 8 and 9. Find out HCF. Find out HCF. What is the HCF of this? See, take 9 factor 3 and 2, and what is that? No, you don't take this one now. Take for example 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Find the HCF. The HCF is 1. HCF is 1. Then we call it as co-prime numbers. Take for example 1, then 5, and then come on, tell me, you also, 7. 1, 5, 7. Find HCF. Find HCF. Okay, what is the HCF of these 3 numbers? 1 is the HCF. What is that? 1 is the HCF. Then we call it as co-prime numbers. 1, 5, 7 are the co-prime numbers. Okay, got it? That means that numbers are prime numbers only, but included other numbers also there. That is why we call it them as co-prime numbers. Okay, have you followed? Now, what are the numbers you have learnt? Call out natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers, positive integers, negative integers, prime numbers, co-prime numbers. Let us pass on some another 3 are there. We'll learn what are those. Okay, so rational numbers. 9th one is rational numbers. So call out children, rational numbers. What do you mean by rational numbers? So you know integers, you know the numbers, you know the natural numbers, you know the whole number, everything. We'll go for rational number. Rational numbers are the numbers that in the form of P by Q. P by Q. That is P may be 3 by 4 or 5 by 7. In the fraction form, 8 by 9. So these are the examples for the rational numbers. But Q should not be equal to 0. We should not give value for the Q. See here, P is 3, Q is 4. P is 5, Q is 7. P is 8, Q is 9. But one more example I will give you, 11 by 0. So this is wrong because Q value is 0, then we are not call it as rational numbers. Q should not be equal to 0. Have you followed? Okay. Next we'll go for real numbers. Real numbers. So the 10th one is real numbers. What is that? These are all the things, these are all the matter given in your textbook, first chapter, number system, with an examples they have given. Go for real numbers. So what do you mean by real numbers? Real numbers are the numbers. Before that, one more I wanted to tell you. Irrational number. The 10th one is 11th one is irrational number. Rational numbers. Rational you have learnt. Next, irrational number. What do you mean by irrational number? The number which has root. Root means you know, you have already studied 2 root, 4 root, 6 root, 7 root, 18 root. So in this form the numbers are there. We call it them as irrational numbers. Okay, now we go for real numbers because these two included together we call it as real numbers. So what do you mean by real numbers? Rational number, real numbers. Real number, what is the number? Real numbers. Real numbers. do you mean by real numbers? Real numbers. So rational numbers plus irrational numbers known as what is that? Real numbers. Example root 2, 3 by 7, root 17, 8 by 9, etc. So this is a real numbers. These are all included in the number system. So if you know very well all these things, the whole arithmetic will be very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now repeat it, all of you. Natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, whole numbers, positive integers, negative integers, prime numbers, co-prime numbers, rational numbers, irrational number, and the real number. These are all very, very important, children. Now I taught you this much. For each one, all of you take down in exercise and go through your textbook. Totally 11 types of numbers I have explained. For each one, definition and example, write down and send to us, because attendance is compulsory. If you learn like this, so I will continue further class. So thank you, children.